Good evening. A new property tax levy increase in Seward County has brought out plenty of opinions. Commissioners nearly passed this last week, trying to make up for our county's shortfall amid a legal dispute. KIC's Carolina Loera is in Liberal tonight, where she talked with commissioners and residents about the increase.
I'm in Liberal, where Seward County commissioners approved to increase the tax mill levy to more than 13 mills. This would put Seward County at close to 60 mills. And while some commissioners say this was necessary, some residents tell me that it's too heavy a burden on taxpayers.
Trying to stick money away in your coffers for a potential, I have an issue with that.
A property tax increase in Seward County has sparked frustration.
Not only us, I feel like it'll affect the whole community. There's young families that are barely starting off. They're trying to find places to rent. Everything's going up. Commissioners
approved an increase of more than 13 mills. A mill levy is basically a rate used to figure your property taxes. 1 mill equals $1 in tax for every $1,000 of a home's assessed value, something commissioners say was necessary.
And there's a fear here. And there are 18 mandated things that the county has to cover. And we have to make sure that our citizens are safe, law enforcement, medical.
On top of the county expenses, Commissioner Persephone Fuller says will help prepare for a possible multi-million-dollar payout in a court battle with Conestoga Energy, a company that is fighting how its ethanol plant was appraised.
We're at the mercy of the court, and we have to prepare for whatever that judgment might be. If they say, well, we want all of our money right now, at least we're cushioning it to make that a little bit easier.
But Commissioner Todd Stanton doesn't think it's fair to the people of Seward County.
I had discussions with retirees living on fixed incomes who are very concerned. I mean, this is a very significant increase when they have no means of increasing their revenue with which to pay it. It also raises the cost of anyone to first-time home buyers, significantly raises the cost of your mortgage.
Opponents have now filed at least 2 petitions to convince commissioners to roll back on the increase.
I get having a small one. I don't see the point of going up 13.5.
But Commissioner Fuller says things can still change.
We can go down, but we cannot go up. So it is our hope, as we get our minds together, the meeting of the minds, when the dust settles, we can look again.
Again, commissioners tell me they'll keep monitoring the situation, and they have until next week to amend the decision. In Liberal, Carolina Loera, KIC News on your side.